Welcome back to the InfoFlex. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set up your Raspberry Pi Pico W with MicroPython and run your first program. I have already made a tutorial on how to program a Raspberry Pi Pico using the Arduino IDE. In this tutorial, we will cover how to blink an LED, control an LED with push button, and read the potentiometer values on the serial monitor. So let's get started. First we will flash MicroPython firmware. Press and hold the boot select button of the Raspberry Pi Pico W. Then plug it into your computer via USB. A removable drive will appear. Open the drive and then open the index.html file. The Raspberry Pi Pico documentation will open. Click on the Pico series microcontroller. You will see various variants of the Raspberry Pi Pico along with pin description and specifications. Click on MicroPython. Then download the picow.uf2 file. After downloading, drag and drop the file into the Raspberry Pi Pico drive or just copy the file and paste it in the Raspberry Pi Pico drive. The board will reboot and be ready to run MicroPython. Install Tony IDE. Now download the Tony software and install it. I have provided the download link in the description. After installing, open Tony. Go to run. Select interpreter. Then choose MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico. For the port, Select Try to detect port automatically. Now Tony is ready to write code for the Raspberry Pi Pico W. In this example, we will blink the built-in LED on the Raspberry Pi Pico W. Copy and paste the LED blink code into a new file. Click File and then click Save and choose Raspberry Pi Pico. Save the file as ledblink.py. Click Run to execute the script. You will see the built-in LED blinking. Now, if you unplug the USB and plug it in again, the LED would not blink. Why? That's because we saved the file as ledblink.py. It only runs when we manually click Run. To make it run automatically on boot, save the file as main.py. Try again, save the same code as main.py. Unplug and pre-plug the USB and you will see the LED blinking automatically. In this example, we will control an LED using a push button. We will need the following components for this project: a push button, an LED, Raspberry Pi Pico W, jumper wires, and breadboard. Connect the VCC pin of the push button to 3.3 volt on the Pico. Connect the ground pin of the button to ground pin on the Pico. Connect the signal pin of the button to GPIO 19 pin on the Pico. Connect the ground pin of the LED to ground pin of the Pico. Connect the signal pin of the LED to GPIO 18 on the Pico. Paste the example code into the Tony. And save it to the Pico main.py. Now when you press the push button, the LED will turn on. When you release the button, the LED will turn off. In this final example, We will read the value of potentiometer and display it on the serial monitor. Connect one terminal of the potentiometer to 3.3 volt. Connect the middle terminal to GPIO 26 on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Connect the other terminal of the potentiometer to ground pin of the Raspberry Pi Pico. Paste the code into the Tony. And save it in the Raspberry Pi Pico. Now run it. Now when you rotate the potentiometer, the value will change and be displayed on the serial monitor. That's it. You have just completed your Raspberry Pi Pico W project using MicroPython. Let me know in the comment what project you would like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tutorial. Thanks for watching.